Today I'm here with a video about the Kiss Colors and Care Tone and Condition Complete Bleach Kit. So I've worked with the Kiss bleach in the past, but the difference here is this is a little bit more, but it's not that much more. The difference is that it tones, and normally it doesn't come with a toner. You usually have to buy toner separate. And so it is a pretty good deal, I have to say so. And it apparently gets you to silver. So, and you can work with up to pretty dark hair. So, you know, it really just depends on what you're going for. I really love this kit because it comes with everything that you see on the site here, which is also a really good deal, especially that it comes with a brush and like a mixing bowl. So let me take this out for you. And the mixing bowl itself is actually pretty big. It has its own little handle and its own like measuring system. So yeah. And it's really easy to just wash and reuse if you need to. Instructions, gloves. And yeah, I highly recommend. Thank you so much for watching.